Today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to use your phone as an internet adapter or internet adapter to your PC. Right now my PC is not connected to the internet. See, if I go to YouTube, say no internet because it doesn't have the internet right now. Even if I write anything on Google, it doesn't show. Guys, you really don't need much. You just need your phone, you need your internet cable like this. So for me, the reason why is because this PC doesn't have Wi-Fi. So you're just gonna connect your USB to your PC, then connect it to your phone. Gonna connect it to your phone. When you connect to your phone, it will do like this, like it's charging, but it will show you that USB data transfer. Go to your settings. Actually, you go to your settings, you're gonna go to portable hotspot. When you go to portable hotspot, you see the USB tethering. You're just gonna take it, and you're now we're back on the PC. Look at it. When I say GG, the internet will work. As you can see, it's telling me this to use this network. So let's do it again. So my phone right now is kind of off like the internet. So yeah guys, if this video was helpful to you, please like the video.